Every second, over 340 million Americans depend on something they almost never think about. This invisible system stretches for hundreds of thousands of miles, connecting power plants, substations, and
imagine every traffic light, every elevator, every hospital, every home, depending on a single interconnected system.
Behind the scenes, thousands of engineers constantly monitor the flow of electricity, balancing supply and demand with extraordinary precision.
But where does all this electricity actually come from? And how does it travel across an entire nation in just moments? In just farments?
Our journey begins where electricity is born. Across America, hydroelectric dams transform the incredible for July. Water is only one source. Natural gas, nuclear energy, wind, and sunlight all contribute to supplying electricity. No matter how the energy source begins, nearly every power plant relies on one essential machine: the electrical generator. Before electricity begins its long journey, it passes through substations where powerful transformers prepare it for efficient transmission across vast distances. Once transformed for long-distance travel, electricity races through an enormous network of transmission lines. Electricity isn't sent across the country at the same voltage used in your home. Instead, engineers raise the voltage dramatically.
This is a power transformer. It increases voltage for efficient transmission and later reduces it again before
Every day, electricity travels hundreds of miles through this interconnected network, crossing rivers, mountains, and landscapes.
Region 3 power demand is increasing. Prepare to route additional generation.
Affirmative, adjusting flow to stabilize the grid. Status green on Sector 7, maintaining balance.
The power grid is designed with multiple layers of protection. Advanced monitoring systems continuously watch for One of the grid's most important safety devices, when needed, is the circuit breaker.
Demand is spiking in Sectors 7 and 8. We need to reroute power.
Understood. Adjusting generation now.
Check the forecast for tonight. It shows a rapid cool down.
Today's grid brings together many different energy sources: hydroelectric dams, wind farms, solar facilities, ships. Every illuminated street, every operating hospital, every active business, and every home is connected to this remarkable.
The next generation of America's power grid is becoming smarter. Digital technology is helping operators.
Millions of homes are becoming active parts of the energy system. Technologies like solar power, battery.
Energy storage is becoming an important part of the future grid. These systems can help store electricity and provide additional flexibility when demand changes.
As America's energy needs continue to grow, engineers are expanding and upgrading the infrastructure that carries electricity across the nation. For more than a century, America's electrical system has evolved from simple power stations into a massive interconnected network.
The power grid of tomorrow will not only deliver electricity, it will become a smarter, more flexible system.
Behind this transformation are thousands of engineers, scientists, and technicians developing new technologies that will shape the future of energy.
This is America's power grid, the hidden network that keeps a nation moving, connects millions of lives, and continues to evolve for the future. The next time you turn on a light, charge a device, or power a machine, remember the incredible journey behind that simple moment. From the largest factories to the smallest devices, electricity connects nearly every part of modern life. Yet the system